If your planners aren't selling, it's probably not your cover, and it's probably not your pricing either. Most planners don't sell because they don't solve a clear problem. They look nice, but buyers don't see why they need them. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 planner upgrades that make people actually click buy, not just scroll past your listing. These are upgrades that work for both print and digital planners, and they're the difference between a planner that feels basic and one that feels intentional. You don't need more planners, you need better planners. And even adding one of these can make a big difference in sales. The first one, solve one clear problem for one clear buyer. The biggest mistake I see is people trying to create planners for everyone. But buyers don't search for planner, they search for solutions to problems they already have. Instead of asking, what pages should I include, ask, what problem does this planner solve? For example, your planner could help busy moms stay consistent, help small business owners stay organized, or help someone focus, reduce stress, or manage their time better. When your planner solves one clear problem for one specific buyer, everything gets easier. Your design choices, your prompts, your listing, and your marketing. This is what increases conversion rates. Buyers feel like the planner was made for them, and that's when they start comparing and start buying. Number 2 is to add prompts that guide the user. Blank planners used to work. Today, they feel unfinished. Prompts turn a planner from a notebook into a tool. They guide the user and remove decision fatigue. For example, you could add monthly reflection prompts, weekly intention setting prompts, or daily focus or gratitude prompts. Prompts help the user understand how to use the planner, which leads to better reviews and fewer refunds. Prompted planners feel more premium, and they justify higher prices because the buyer feels supported, not overwhelmed. The third one is to use images to add value, not just decoration. This is one people forget about, but it makes a huge difference. Images aren't just for decoration, they add structure, clarity, and emotional connection. For example, you could include soft background images behind prompts, icons for habits, goals, or focus areas, or visual cues that help users move through the planner better. A planner with thoughtful visuals feels polished and professional, especially in listing previews. Images increase perceived value. Buyers see the planner as more complete and more intentional, even if the content itself is simple. Number 4 is to add extra pages where they make sense. A lot of planners miss this opportunity. Adding extra pages is good, but placing them strategically is what makes them useful. For example, you could add an expense tracker right after monthly pages, a habit tracker after weekly layouts, or a daily fitness log after daily pages. These pages feel like natural extensions of the planner, not random bonuses. When buyers feel a planner is thoughtfully structured, they're more confident in their purchase and more likely to recommend it. The last one is to turn your planner into a system people keep using. The final upgrade is turning your planner into a system, not just a collection of pages. Planners that sell well aren't designed to be used once and forgotten. They're designed to be reused, revisited, and relied on. One easy way to do this is by combining planning with something else the buyer already wants to do, like journaling, tracking, or decision making. For example, you could create a journal planner hybrid, a planner plus tracking system, or a planner and life management hub. When your planner feels like a system, something that actually supports progress, it becomes more valuable, more memorable, and much easier to price higher. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this: Planners that sell aren't accidental. They're designed with intention. Every upgrade we talked about today, solving one clear problem, adding prompts, using images, inserting strategic pages, and turning your planner into a reusable system, can all be done inside our planner tool. You don't need 5 different programs or a complicated setup. You can design planners that actually sell faster and easier in one place. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start creating planners with purpose, try the planner tool with our free 3-day trial and build your next planner using just one of these upgrades. Start with one, see the difference, then build from there.